Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is AQUA-X 16 ounces Grout Sealer. AQUA-X Grout Sealer has truly become an essential component in any interior or outdoor tiling project. Water or other liquids will inevitably splash on the surface of your backsplash, shower, kitchen counter, or tile floor after you've invested time and money on it, causing stains. Taking the time now to seal your grout will help protect the beauty of your project while also making cleanup and upkeep much easier in the long run. AQUA-X by Black Diamond Coatings is intended for and usable by expert tile setters. This means it contains more solids and pros can put their reputation on the line while completing a compensated task. AQUA-X is a self-leveling, premium quality polyurethane sealant with a quick tack-free time and cure capacity. We package our Sikaflex 1C SL in a new, carefully designed packaging to protect the tubes from harm during shipping. AQUA-X SL cures to a robust, durable, and flexible 25% movement consistency. AQUA-X is exceptionally elastic and resistant to aging and weathering. AQUA-X is designed for flat work that requires less movement and a higher Shore A hardness. For further information, see the product data sheet below. Our second best concrete crack filler is Quikrete Concrete Crack Seal. Rolling on the sealer is the best technique to apply it since it ensures that it is applied evenly. This sealant will also last longer and help your concrete keep a strong surface. Quikrete 1 quart. Concrete Crack Seal is a product that is used to fix cracks in concrete driveways, patios and sidewalks. The crack seal is gray in color to fit with the natural color of concrete and can be applied directly from the bottle. It is ideal for horizontal concrete cracks up to 12 inches wide. It is simple to seal gaps and holes using this. It was effective in filling a crack in the driveway. Dispenser is simple to operate. Quikrete is a water-based silane or siloxane designed to keep water and moisture out. Will not alter the beauty of your concrete, pavers, brick, or stone, preserving their natural appearance. This low-voc composition is completely breathable and does not form a film. Quikrete certified and resistant to surface damage from chlorides and de-icing salts. It reduces cracking, spalling, and pitting while also protecting the surface from freeze-thaw damage. Third in our list is ConSandtrate Concrete Crack Filler. Simply pour our stuff into the desired area and mist with, then let the ConSandtrate work its magic and harden them. Simply pour our polymer-based filler onto the desired area and spritz with water to activate the substance, making cleaning your sidewalk, patio or pool deck a snap. Our most intriguing characteristic is that our polymers react to and reinsert themselves in the S when the concrete expands and contracts. This excellent technology distinguishes us from the competition. Because of the unique properties of this blend, you may repair your S without using messy polyurethane and cement mixtures. This is the most simple concrete crack repair method we've ever utilized. It's used to patch fractures in our patio pool decking. It was also a perfect solution for the masonry repair around the base of our hot tub. ConSandtrate is a supercharged penetrating sealer with 6x more actives than any other water-based concrete sealer on the market, resulting in long-lasting protection. Wind-driven rain is not a problem. ConSandtrate is a commercial-grade impregnating sealer that may be used in both commercial and residential applications. Its high-active formula is UV stable and will not degrade when exposed to direct sunshine. The surface profile remains unchanged, assuring a non-slick surface. ConSandtrate is the next generation of impregnating sealers, with smaller active particles that penetrate deeper for unrivaled protection. Number 4 in our best concrete crack filler list is DAP Liquid Cement Crack Filler. Consider DAP's Liquid Cement Crack Filler instead of repair and concrete mix for tiny cracks. This 1-quart bottle of liquid concrete crack filler works its way into small fractures, up to 0.5 inch, to form a bond that is ready for traffic in 45 minutes. Because this liquid cement crack filler is self-leveling, you won't need a putty knife or trowel to make a smooth, even repair. While it is not recommended for vertical surfaces such as walls or foundations, it is appropriate for horizontal surfaces such as driveways, pathways, patios, and concrete floors, both inside and out. DAP crack filler is paintable once cured, so blending the fix will be simple. Water beading effect is excellent, and application is simple using a sprayer, roller, or brush. Use this product on driveways, garages, basements, patios, and pool decks. Per gallon, 1 coat can cover up to 250 square feet. Vertical treatments, when put by a certified applicator, can last up to 10 years before requiring reapplication. The requirement of penetrating concrete sealer is versatile, undetectable, and long-lasting. For improved performance and longevity, pair with the Lethe Tech 4500 densifying primer. Excellent waterproofing, penetrates deep inside the concrete and chemically reacts within the pores and capillaries to provide a long-lasting hydrophobic surface that beats water. 100% permeable, there is no formation of a film. Allows moisture to escape from the concrete without affecting the sealant. It does not retain moisture. Makes maintenance easier. Protects against chloride ion penetration, forms an efficient chloride screen, drastically lowering chloride ion entrance and mitigating chloride damage from de-icing salts. Our last pick is MasonryDefender Concrete Brick Stone Sealer. MasonryDefender All-Purpose Concrete Brick and Stone Sealant is a penetrating silane siloxane mixed water repellent with exceptional performance that provides long-lasting water repellency on concrete and masonry surfaces. This water-based product is a breathable, non-film forming external water repellent for concrete sealers that will not change the color or appearance of the surface. It shields the majority of vertical and horizontal exterior, above-grade concrete surfaces. It is appropriate for use on residential driveways, patios, sidewalks, brick walls, stone walls, concrete walls, chimneys and other bare masonry or concrete surfaces. Most masonry or concrete surfaces are protected, including concrete, brick, stone, cultured stone, sandstone, limestone, granite, and others. After cleaning with MasonryDefender All-Purpose Masonry and Concrete Cleaner, this product is meant to preserve, waterproof, and seal concrete and masonry surfaces. Reduces moisture ingress, resists wind-driven rain and freeze-thaw damage, as well as spalling, pitting, and cracking. Resistant to organic growth, lichen, and efflorescence. Approved by the Department of Transportation, meets and exceeds criteria. Increases durability, water and the hostile compounds dissolved in it are not taken in by capillaries. It is resistant to freeze-thaw and thermal cycling damage. Flat natural finish does not alter the surface look, is UV stable, and will not degrade when exposed to light. Can be used on cured, sharpened, or polished concrete. Compatible with silicate densifiers and ideal for horizontal surfaces exposed to pedestrian and vehicle traffic.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!